Hey YouTube, it's your girl Shanti and welcome back to my channel, my brat babes. So today you guys, I will be showing you how to do this lovely flawless Valentine's Day inspired wig install. This is a custom color that I did and it is a refurbished wig. So anyways you guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. First, I just started by braiding down the hair. You want to make sure when you're doing a braid down for a wig, if you want a sleek and flawless look, you don't want to do the braids for the braid down too big. So I did mine about medium size.
No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna check it there, I'm on my way. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Chopped out the porch, put that bitch in sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm already, yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, got one up for sure. You said break a lead, I said pass the weed. Pull up to the club bar, said you never been before. Put you in if I could talk, girl, I made you meet more. You said you left your ex, that you was always cash. You said before me you ain't never been this happy. You took a L with him and went in ever since. You in my phone, I'm on my way, I can't complain. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. You're trying to make a move. Tonight I got the time, tell me what you wanna do. Call a squad if you wanna rendezvous. They gon' push up on their own, I only got room for 2. Running checks on the set, it's a Porsche, not a Vic. I confess, I'm a flex, till they show some respect. Get away so we can make sense of your life. You wasn't pop, but I just put your shit in drive. Now, close, like there's no tomorrow. Moving too fast, I'm open to drive slow. I don't want you to wonder where I go. Can learn a lot from this and it's something that I know. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me in 5. I'll be your man, I'll be all day. I'll be all day.
And this is the finished look of my braid down, which was about 10 to 12 braids total. Next, I'm going to go in with my Lachey's hair juice, all natural herbal and essential oil, which you guys can find in the description. You can order some if you guys want to. This is very essential to make sure you guys are protecting the hair up under the wig. Yes, it's not being left out, but you want to make sure that the scalp is still treated up under the wig. So this oil also helps with anti-itch and dandruffs, and it also promotes hair growth. So if you guys want to shop for this oil, you guys can, in the link in the description down below. You can order it.
I blew it all on her, I get it right back. She blew it all on me, I couldn't fight that. She love when I but only when it's time back. You know it's hard to get about it, I can sidetrack. Shake something, left, right.
And here you guys, I am just showing you also the herbs inside of the oil. Next, I'm going to go in with my Got to Be Invincible glue, which I love this product. It's very amazing to hold down, and like I said, it's essential to protect the hair when doing these wig installs. So I am brushing back and taming down the edges so that we can make sure they are protected and slid down away from glue and tension. Next, I'm going to start with my ball cap method, and in order to get the perfect ball cap look, I glue mine down just above the hairline.
Oh, girl, when the lights turn up, the diamonds gon' dance. You really don't dance, yeah. But I know that you care. We about to get nasty. Then I go to them glasses. So it's too hot, got to fuck it up. Get some mood right. Is it wet enough? I gotta do right. It's a level of rain. Let me hit it up. Take a few times. So it's too hot, got to double up. Shot it too hot. With the bubble butt, girl, we should both slide. On the regular, so it's too hot. It's a regular. I wanna get this rocket off the ground, baby. You're so beautiful, it's hard to behave. I can't start this fire without your flame. And I know you feel the same.
And if you guys haven't seen any of my other wig installs, yes, Bold Hold is the glue that I use. It is one of the best glue for the maximum hold. I like to use 2 to 3 layers. So if y'all don't got Bold Hold for y'all install and it's not sleek, make sure y'all go to y'all local beauty store and get some Bold Hold. So here, like I told you guys, I applied the glue right above the hairline, just a thin layer. And don't mind my auntie, y'all. She's jumping because she's very goofy. She's jumping and laughing because the air from the dryer is getting in her ear. But I just blow dry it on cool until it's not so tacky and sticky. Once it's dry all the way, I go ahead and cut off the excess cap.
I was going through my contacts, baby. I used to call my ex back. My knee, my sex black. I'm sipping on any I regrets. Might do something I regret. But that double my just back. Come and look too hot. Yeah, girl, give me that 40-inch bust down with a patent black. I'm a little dress black. Every man I watch, tell me little thing for now.
And again, to get a sleek ball cap look, you want to make sure you're using sharp scissors, or you can use a razor, but preferably I use scissors, and then I basically just pull back a little bit right above the glue and cut. Next, I will be going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, which you can find at your local beauty supply store. This is also essential to a sleek ball cap method, making sure that you use a foundation or concealer. Or also, I like to use the pressed powder. That also works very good for a sleek and melted look. But y'all want to make sure that you match the color of that person's skin or your client's skin tone, or not lighter, but sometimes a little bit darker is okay. Don't mind me and my auntie being goofy, y'all. Our song had came on, so don't mind it. You won't break my soul.
Taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside, in case you forgot how we act outside.
I literally can't take us serious. We play all day, too much. My auntie's talking about something. She wanted to get up out the chair so bad. But anyways, let's get back to business. So my favorite part, y'all already know we finna start the meltdown process. Let's go ahead and get this wig on. Y'all want to make sure y'all add 2 to 3 thin layers. Between each layers, I say this every time in my wig installs, please, 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 for a sleek, flawless, out the scalp look, make sure that each layer dries clear before you apply the next layer, and don't overdo it. All you need is 2 to 3 thin layers, not too much, and you want to start with a little just above the hairline and add more as needed. This is so that you make sure the install is sleek and you don't end up putting too much glue when you go to put the wig on.
Still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other but know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. It got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I know. One night I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should have mine. I like your eyes, not the best idea. These new girlfriends makes how I get here. I like your eyes, I still love you cold. Rather be child.
Okay, so after all of your layers have dried, however many you decide to use, you want to go ahead and immediately apply your lace so that you don't allow the glue to dry too much, and then it will not stick to the lace. So y'all will see, as I told you guys, this is a used wig, it's a refurbished wig, so y'all will see that it is a little far up on her forehead, but that is because I'm going to cut off some of the excess hair and lace. Okay, and I recommend at least a minute to 5 minutes to allow the wig band to sit on the head after applying the glue and stuff, so that you guys can get the maximum hold and really melt that lace into the skin, along with even spray and or spritz to give it an extra melt. And then you're going to apply the wig band again and allow it to sit again for a minute to 5 minutes.
I just killed my ex, not the best idea. Kill this girlfriend next now.
So if you guys have old wigs that tend to have balding, this is what you see me doing right here. Is I'm recreating the hairline on the lace, because on the sides they were bald, so it wasn't matching with the top, so I had to cut off some of the excess hair to even back up the hairline.
So many reasons why I want it for you, my love. Now you want to return, it's my love. Oh. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I'm to make me there. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I feel like making you. Oh, no. I'm to make me there. Oh, no. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. I feel like making you. Pull over. I'ma pull over. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, rara. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, rara. And if not the price be that, I feel like to see ya. I never traded you for nothing. This love will make me the dark man shit. Without you, I don't fit to love. Without you, I'ma get me with this all ping pong. I never traded you, baby. This love will make me this nothing. No. I'ma get telling me what's up, ping pong.
So this is what the hairline looks like now after I've cut off the excess hair and lace. And as you see now, I'm going back in on some of the spots that needed some extra glue applied to secure the lace down. This is just what I'm doing on this part right here. And that is totally fine if you have to go back and do this. Like I said, you would rather have little glue than too much glue, because it's easier to correct when it's just more glue needs to be added. This is my first time trying this lace melt spray by Even. I usually use their adhesive spray, the red can, and I like that better. But this didn't really give me the melt that I wanted, so I did go back in with the Even adhesive spray, which that's what I normally use. So if you guys want to use this, you can, but I recommend the adhesive spray. You're going to see in the video what I'm talking about.
You, oh my God, you, baby, you're 22. Do what I handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Oh my God, you, baby. Say you like to really ride, girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my lady. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe you're 22. Do what I handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Oh my God, you, baby, you're 22. Do what I handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Oh my God, you.
So while I let that sit and go ahead and melt, I'm going in with my Design Essentials. It's like a heat protectant and shine spray. And I'm just going to go ahead and basically start flat ironing and styling the hair. This kind of will help speed up the process of your install. If your client wants their hair styled, I recommend doing this while you have to allow time for the lace to melt.
I know you, oh my God, you, baby, you're 22. Do what I handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Oh my God, you,
brand new. He's acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out. Heard from the south, he trying to see me knock his socks off. Told him, meet me at the top, think they got lost. Go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her, she must ain't took a mix. Around my neck, it costs an arm and leg. Swear they said for life, I let them give me pre. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas, doing biggest color right. Just like to run ain't out, but I'm the type to run a fade. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday. All kind of shit. Let me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about you. Pigs like you. We all know that cat is spitting fish. When I spin that dead play, that nigga know what time it is. My ex crazy about me. Better be ready to die. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain. But shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop. Imaginary smoke. Set it up. Then put it on the floor. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain. But shit is not a joke.
kicking older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to put them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. 36, but don't play with the period. Keep this follow behind in the years. Anyway, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner.
Alright, so after removing the band, you want to go ahead and apply the same makeup that you used from the brush onto the lace, just to kind of finish off the melted look. As you guys can see, this looks a lot better than the first time. And now let's get into styling.
The rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and infants for everybody.
And for this particular style, I did use my hot comb a lot. You guys do not be, and I repeat, do not be scared to use the hot comb on your clients. Just make sure you do it with caution. But the hot comb is essential also to a sleek and flawless install. Whether it's just straightening the hair or however, you need a hot comb whenever you're doing a wig install. And if you don't have one, check out your local beauty store and they sell them, or you can order one off of Amazon. But get a hot comb.
Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that bitch pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out the truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like Stacy, why you hurt me? Took him down off the Yorkie. When you give me put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me and you tryna see what's up, ain't wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that bitch pull up. Cross in and fire.
This ain't gonna be the first time that I do numbers on two crutches. Seen more plaques than toothbrushes. Until I'm at the pearly white gates, I gotta move something, do something. All meetings happen in person, so they can't prove nothing. Known her 8 years and still fuck her like a new husband. Trying to run a country like Putin one day, but who's rushing? Who's bluffing? For real. Who you hugging? Who you wanna be loving? I play 48 minutes on a torn meniscus. Who's subbing? El Chico Luxury. Wanna see my niggas ball so bad I started up a league. Fuck with me, you niggas can't trouble me from the double tree. Step your sweets up. I get Oliver to set the beats up. 2021, I had to wet the streets up. Your girl was better in the morning like a slice of pizza. That's when I had to hit her with the nice to meet ya. You niggas think you doing damage, you just hyping me up. Face who? I could see a wall of y'all, all of y'all, and run straight through. Trust it's all fun and games until I wanna play too. Adios mio, the ice is frio on the Jesus. It's bringing me closer to God. I'm already close to the mob. I'm already known as the GOAT. Can try and get close, but you won't. I already packed the garage. None of these shits is a Dodge. None of this shit's a facade. None of this shit's a mirage. Thought I was seeing things when I was seeing green. 6 GOD, CMB. Yes, sir.
Whatever it is, praise it has never hit you. I've got a feeling love don't have to be the way you say it is. Gotta be that way with me.
Girl, I know you want her. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. They too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride your pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna. Yeah. Just keep giving me look. Oh, just keep giving me look. Oh, just keep giving me look. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Oh. She wanna run me out of the nana.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Or why you Mufasa? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it strip it like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. Now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the head is so hydra or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as it. Beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be
these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up. 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 No matter what you say, what you do, I'm gonna be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up. 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 I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it.
Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. It actually did come out pretty good with the fact that we had to cut off a lot of the lace. But make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next video.